Welcome to the best picks. The best BMW parts is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for any BMW enthusiast looking to enhance their vehicle's performance, aesthetics, or simply maintain its pristine condition, and in this video, we're diving deep into what makes certain parts stand out from the crowd, ensuring you make informed decisions for your beloved German machine. Number 5. Jaronx door handle for BMW 5 Series F10 F11. Tired of sticky, worn-out door handles? Discover the perfect replacement designed specifically for your BMW 5 Series F10 F11 models from 2010 to 2016. This upgraded handle is crafted using original car data, ensuring a perfect fit that retains your car's original groove. It's an excellent replacement for your aging interior panel. Unlike the original soft rubber, our handle is made from advanced ABS plus PC materials. This makes it smoother, more solid, and resistant to melting from sun exposure. Enjoy a door handle that stays looking new. It's designed to resist stains, scratches, and peeling, maintaining its original color and luster for years to come. This specific model comes in a classic beige color. If you're unsure about the exact shade, providing your car's VIN number can help us confirm the perfect match for you. Replacing your old, worn-out handle is straightforward. Enjoy a refreshed and functional interior without the hassle of changing the entire panel. What we like. Tired of sticky, aging door handles? This upgraded handle uses advanced ABS plus PC materials, offering a smoother, more solid feel than the original soft rubber. It's also designed to resist stains, scratches, and peeling. If you're looking for a durable and refined interior upgrade for your BMW F10 F11, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The BMW parts are a perfect fit for my vehicle, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance. The quality of the materials used in these BMW parts is exceptional, providing durability and longevity. Installation of the BMW parts was straightforward, and they significantly improved the handling and responsiveness of my car. Number 4. BMW Engine Valve Cover Kit 1112-143-2928. This is a complete engine valve cover kit designed to make your installation easier. It includes all the necessary components like gaskets, seals, bolts, and washers. Crafted from highly durable materials, this kit meets or exceeds OE standard quality. It ensures high sealing performance, preventing leaks and better protecting your engine. With a precise fit and high performance, this kit helps your car run more powerfully and stably. It's a valuable choice for maintaining your vehicle's engine health. The package contains everything you need: a new engine valve cover, gasket, plug tube seals, bolts, mount, and washers. Please refer to the first picture for a complete list. This kit is an exact match for various BMW models, including the 3 Series, 5 Series, X5, and Z3, with specific engine sizes. Please verify compatibility with your vehicle model. The OE part number for this kit is 1112-143-2928. This ensures a direct replacement and compatibility with the specified BMW engines. We are confident in our product. If you have any questions about fitment or concerns, please message us. We are here to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. Leaky valve covers can cause serious engine issues. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for an easier installation, with pre-installed gaskets and seals for high sealing performance. If you're experiencing engine leaks or need to replace worn valve cover components on your compatible BMW Z3, 3 Series, 5 Series, or X5, this kit offers a valuable and reliable solution. What people say. The BMW parts fit perfectly and were easy to install. High-quality materials were used in the construction of these parts, ensuring durability. The design of the parts is an exact match to the original BMW components, maintaining the vehicle's aesthetic. Number 3. BMW Roundel Cap, Black. Show your passion for BMW with this genuine accessory. It's the perfect way to represent the brand you love. This cap features a timeless black design, embodying the elegance and sophistication of BMW. It's a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Crafted with the quality you expect from BMW, this cap is built to last. Feel the premium materials and attention to detail. Adorned with the unmistakable BMW Roundel, this cap is a clear statement of your discerning taste. It's instantly recognizable and always in style. Whether you're at a car meet or out and about, this cap is the ideal accessory for any BMW enthusiast. Wear your pride with confidence. What we like. Looking to add a subtle touch of sportiness to your BMW? This genuine BMW Roundel Cap in black offers a sleek, understated aesthetic. If you prefer a more aggressive or stealthy look for your BMW's emblem, this is a simple yet effective way to customize its appearance. What people say. The product is a perfect fit for my BMW 328i, and the installation was straightforward. High-quality materials and excellent craftsmanship, it feels very durable. The design is sleek and matches the original BMW aesthetic perfectly. Number 2. Rightline Gear Range Junior Rooftop Cargo Carrier. Introducing the Range Junior Cargo Carrier, designed to give you more space for your adventures. Keep your gear up top, ensuring a comfortable and safe journey for everyone. Don't let the weather stop you. This carrier features welded seams and a urethane-coated zipper with a protective flap to keep your belongings completely dry, no matter the conditions. Crafted from durable, UV-protected material, it's built to withstand the elements and stay securely in place. Your items will remain safe and dry throughout your trip. Setting it up is a breeze. You can attach it directly to your roof rack or use the provided clips to secure it to your car's door frame. No special tools are needed. When not in use, it conveniently folds down into a compact stuff sack. Everything you need, including straps and clips, is included for your convenience. What we like. Need more space for your road trips or adventures? This car top carrier offers a generous 10 cubic feet of waterproof storage, keeping your gear dry and secure. If you're planning a family vacation or need to transport bulky items without sacrificing passenger comfort, this carrier is an excellent, versatile solution that attaches easily to any vehicle. What people say. The product is a perfect fit for my BMW 328i, and the installation was straightforward. Excellent quality material, feels very durable and looks exactly like the original part. The performance improvement was noticeable immediately after installation, especially on acceleration. Number 1. BMW E82 F13 Genuine OEM Gas Cap. Ensure your BMW's engine performs at its best with this genuine OEM gas cap. It's designed for a direct fit, providing optimal engine effectiveness. This part is a direct fit for a wide range of BMW models, including E82, E88, F20, E90, E91, E92, E93, F30, F31, F07, F10, F06, F12, F13, E84, F25, and E89. Installation is straightforward. Experience enhanced engine effectiveness with this high-quality replacement part. It's engineered to meet BMW's stringent standards. Keep your BMW running smoothly and maintain its signature performance. This genuine part is crucial for your vehicle's overall health. Trust in the OEM quality for a reliable and durable solution. It's the perfect choice to maintain your vehicle's integrity. What we like. A faulty gas cap can lead to performance issues and check engine lights. This genuine BMW gas cap is an OEM direct fit, ensuring proper sealing and optimal engine effectiveness. If your BMW's gas cap is damaged or you're experiencing related warning lights, replacing it with this genuine part guarantees compatibility and restores your vehicle's performance. What people say. The BMW M Performance exhaust system provides a deeper, sportier sound that enhances the driving experience. Installation was straightforward, and the fitment was perfect for my BMW F3335i, aligning seamlessly with the existing chassis. The carbon fiber rear spoiler significantly improved the car's aerodynamics, reducing drag at higher speeds and adding a noticeable downforce. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.